In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to print multiple PDFs at once in Adobe Acrobat Pro. If you've ever had a stack of PDFs and wished you could print them all in one go, this walkthrough will set you up with a simple, reusable workflow. We'll use Acrobat Pro's guided actions to build a tiny automation that sends every file in a folder to your printer with consistent settings. Start by launching Adobe Acrobat on your device. Make sure you're using Acrobat Pro since guided actions are a pro feature. It also helps to decide on your printer defaults ahead of time, things like double-sided or color, because the action will use whatever your printer is set to when it runs. Open any PDF. This just ensures the main tools are active and visible. With your document open, go to the global left sidebar and click All Tools. In the Tools catalog, select Use Guided Actions. This opens Acrobat's automation dashboard, where you can create and save custom actions. At the top of the Guided Actions window, click New Action. You're now in the Action Builder, which has tools on the left and your action steps on the right. We're going to add a single step, Print. On the left panel, click More Tools to expand the hidden options. Scroll until you see Print. Select it, then click the center plus arrow to move it into the action list on the right. You should now see Print listed in your action steps. That's all you need for the command panel. No other steps are required. Next, set the source of the documents you want to process. Look to the top right section labeled Files to be processed. Here's where you tell Acrobat which files this action should target. Click Add Folder, then navigate to the directory on your computer that contains the PDFs you want to batch print. Choose that folder and confirm. A quick tip: keep only the PDFs you actually want to print in that folder to avoid surprises, and consider using a dedicated folder when you run big batches. When everything looks right, click Save. Type a clear, memorable name for your automation, for example, Batch Printer. Then click Save again to finalize it. Your custom action is now stored in Guided Actions, ready whenever you need it. From now on, you can open Guided Actions, select your saved action, and it will send the PDFs in that designated folder to your printer according to your default printer settings. It's a reliable, repeatable way to handle large print jobs with just a few clicks.